Good morning, everyone. I'm changing the day because I'm not feeling very good at all. So after this, we've already taken attendance, and so I want to give you today's lesson. Uh, I have two parts. One is dog breeder, and then one is a uh, farming game, selective farming versus dog breeder. We will do the dog breeder today, but the selective farming I will take as extra credit. So let's try this game here. And so yesterday we learned that artificial selection is what humans do to a variety of different other organisms. We've done it to dogs, we've done it to cows, chickens, fruits and vegetables that we eat. We've done it to countless different species. Okay, and in one case, we do it as dogs. And so what's cool is that over the course of 10,000 years, we've taken wolves and we've essentially changed what they are. And we've bred them for specific purposes. Some might be hunting dogs, some might be rescue dogs, some might be guard dogs. Okay? And what's great is that different species are bred to do different things. You don't typically see, for instance, a Chihuahua maybe being a great guard dog. Chihuahuas aren't big, they aren't strong, they aren't scary looking, maybe. So let's learn a little bit about what different traits different dogs need. So let's start with the hunting dog. Okay, our hunting dog, uh, our goal is to create a hunting dog. The hunting dogs must have exceptional speed to chase the game. Exceptional means really, really fast, and game means like the birds or the animals or whatever it is that you're hunting. You must have good intelligence and decent agility. Try going to the breeding screen to pick a mate for your first dog. Okay, and so our dog starts here with rates of 1, 1, 1, and 1 um, for all their traits. That's not good. We mentioned that we needed exceptional speed, agility, and intellect, I think it was. So we'll click. We have 30 coins to spend, $30 to spend. So we'll breed our dog. And we need to decide which dog is going to be best for our purposes. And so we could pick 1, 2, 3, 4, or 5. We could pick Hunter, Salty, Blaze, or Mopsy. Which dog, let's start with, say, Speed. Which dog is going to be the best for Speed? Yeah, you probably picked Salty. So let's breed our dog with Salty. And look what happened. Our Salty's traits and our original dog's traits kind of blended together. Strength stayed at 1, speed went up a bunch, intellect stayed the same, and agility went up. Great. And so after breeding, we inherit traits from both parents. And since we picked the mates, this is called selective breeding or artificial selection. Now let's see if our dog can do what we want, catch our game. Nope, not quite. We did get some coins, but we have to be able to reach the game. So we must need good speed, a really good speed, good intelligence, and decent agility. And so the aim of the game, we must be able to reach the final goal. Let's avoid picking the same mate for the dog multiple times in a row. If you do that, you reduce the variation, which leads to inbreeding and not good traits. If you need extra money, you can answer the quiz. So you can do that on your own if you'd like. We'll probably keep enough coins to keep breeding. So we need high speed, good intelligence, good agility. So which dog should we pick next? This is the part that's kind of tricky because you could pick one dog and I might pick another dog. So let's do agility. Which dog is going to have the best agility for us? You probably picked Avalanche because Avalanche has the highest rated agility at 10. So we'll click breed and watch. The speed stayed the same, intellect went higher, and agility went higher. That's good. So let's work. Let's see if our dog can catch our game. Ooh, close, not quite. So we still need exceptional speed, intelligence, and agility. So let's try again. Since we need exceptional speed, let's go for speed again. Which dog should we breed with our dog to make our dog faster? Which dog should we breed to get the best speed? You probably picked Beamer. And Beamer does have the highest speed. So let's play. Let's breed. Speed went up. Intelligence stayed the same. Agility went down slightly. So let's see if our dog is qualified. Ooh, we're getting close, but not quite. So let's breed again. We need to up that agility, I think. So let's go for the dog with the best agility. Which dog should our dog breed with to have the best agility? You probably picked Cassidy. Agility rating 10. Speed stayed the same, intelligence went up, and agility went up. Oh man, we're getting close. Let's see if this works. Oh, so close. We're not quite there yet. You know, we mentioned that our dog needs intelligence. So why don't we breed our dog with a dog that has a high level of intelligence? Which dog would we pick for higher intellect? You probably picked Blaze. Blaze has an intellect of 10. Holy cow, strength 5, speed 7, agility 7. So that's good. So we'll breed. Our speed and agility stayed the same, but our intellect went so much higher. This has got to work. Let's see if our dog is able to capture the bunny now. Nice. Our dog reached the goal. This is fantastic. So, you have mastered, or well, initially mastered, artificial selection or selective breeding. We've done a great job in this video. So we did the hunting video, or the hunting dog. I will make 2 separate videos, one for the rescue dog, one for the guard dog. Doing one of the other one, so you must do at least 2. The one that we just did together here, and then you can pick the rescue dog or the guard dog as your homework. Have a fantastic day.